Morning, fans. Tonight on this episode, we're gonna start drawing one of my favorite thumb wrestlers from the Sinistras. Tonight we're gonna draw. Tonight we're gonna draw the Sinistra wrestler, codenamed Dangerously Depressed, otherwise known as Rolf The Reaper. What I've learned about this guy, I don't really know why the reason that he always sees the bad side in everything. Well, despite the fact that he kind of looks like Senator Skull, I'm talking about his black paint and his face. Well, what I've learned is that he made all his way to the championship when he first fought against Evil Ira and lost. After his battle against Dr. Shrink, we finally found out a few things about him, and for the fact that he, well, it's probably best if I leave a few parts out. Well, at least I've managed to get one thing done to make him feel proud. That I finally got to show his appearance on for tonight's episode. And to be honest, I think Rolf the Reaper would be a great to be a great somebody. Well, I don't know why I just said that, but you get the idea. Anyway, that is how you draw Rolf the Reaper. Good night, team.